Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got for you a huge Temu haul. I've been shopping on there probably about 3 or 4 times, so there's quite a lot of different bits going on, so let's just get into it. I'm going to start with these beautiful trainers. Look at those. Really pleased with them. I wasn't quite sure what they were going to look like, but I really like the colour of these. They're like a neutral colour with, I like the sole. And then you've got a little bit of diamante going on there. Yeah, and they're like that stretchy material, so super comfortable. The only thing is, they say they're a 38, which in UK size is a 5, but I reckon these are more like a 4. So I'm just hoping they fit. But for the price, I'm sure I can squeeze my feet into those. Really happy with those. Next up, in the hot weather that we've been having, it's quite hot today. Might not be by the time you see this, but I love a handheld fan. Do you know what I like about Temu? Quite often this stuff's already charged. So here we go, got a white handheld high-speed fan. USB, let's give it a go. Turn it on. Oh, hopefully you can see that. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Goes up to 100. Cool, that's good. Oh, that is decent. The only thing is a little bit noisy, but we can cope with that. Oh, it's around my fringe. So it's got a USB charge, then the switch is on the back, and then on the front it tells you the speed of the fan, and then also the charge on there as well, so you can see when it's going to run out. So if you want to go travelling or at home, I've got this little hair accessories zipper. That's cute. So next up I got a couple of phone covers. Phone covers on Temu are such good value. I've got this lovely sort of lavender bluey colour. And then the second one I got is very similar. That one's a bit more blue, that one's a little bit more purple. And that's got the handle that ties on. I do like the phone covers with extra protection. Right, what we got in here? Oh, these are for travel. Everything's so well packaged. Oh, these are nice. So these are travel dispensers. Not quite sure how that's going to work, because it's not got anything in the middle of it that will sort of suck the product up. But I'm wondering if as you go like that, causes a bit of a vacuum. Anyway, I've got 2 of those. So next up, this little mini bag, which is sort of a cosmetics bag or for makeup. And you've got different little compartments there that you can put brushes in. And then you've got a zip and another couple of bits there. So that, I would imagine, sort of opens out a bit. Yes, it does once it's full. That's quite cute, isn't it? I like that. I like the colour of that as well. Not sure about the badge. This next one I thought was going to be pottery or ceramic, but it's not. It's plastic. It's actually quite cute though. So it's actually for makeup brushes. It's sort of got a face on it, and they had it in black or white. I did think it was going to be ceramic, but it's plastic. So I think I might use that as a pen holder. But it's nice, isn't it? So I had one of these in my other haul. I've used it so much, I thought I'd get a couple more because they're absolutely pence. It is great for, or what it's supposed to be for, in the garden, you know, when you're trying to get weeds out of little tiny crevices and cracks. I found it very useful, so I thought I'll get a couple more of those. I thought I'd try a bit of mascara. So it's just a little black mascara, and I thought this is going to be really good for lower lashes, because look at the tiny little brush on that. So hopefully that'll be nice for my lower lash line. I know everybody says this on YouTube, but you just forget what you've ordered. This little device is a travel sewing kit. Look at that. That's got everything you need in it. Isn't that great for taking away for travel? Got all the different cottons. Little thimble. Some scissors. Different needles. Perfect. That's a very snazzy little thing. I've got some jute rope. So I used this. In fact, this isn't what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a lot thicker. For the cats, we have the scratch posts, and they just cut through them so quickly because their claws are so sharp. So rather than having to buy new scratch posts all the time, I've been rethreading them. But this is not quite as thick as I thought it was going to be. It's a little bit more like string. So next I've got some more travel items. Again, look at that lovely colour. These are very nice. So this is a little clear travel bag, and in it, so you get the little bag, you get a spatula to put your bits in, and you've got lots of different labels. These are lovely. They're a bit squashy. So you've got different sizes there for things like moisturiser, shampoo, conditioner. I actually thought they were going to be the silicone ones, but they are a little bit more plasticky. But you fill those up. Yeah, very nice. Perfect for travel. And then also for travel, I got a wash bag. The last one I had was like a pop-up one that I had from Poundland, and it broke. So this, goodness me, oh, it's massive. How much washing are you hoping to have on holiday? Oh, that's ridiculous. That is huge. Maybe it's supposed to be used for normal laundry rather than travel. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. And another type of travel bag thing, I think. Yeah, this is for all your chargers and cables and everything. So when we go on holiday to South Africa, I'm hopefully going to do quite a bit of vlogging. I've bought a new vlogging camera. So I thought I'd get myself a new accessories bag, keep everything all together. Still got loads more to go. So I had one of these on my last haul, and I have to say it's pretty good. So I had one of these before. I saw them on Instagram, thought it wouldn't be any good. I was very pleasantly surprised. I thought I'm going to get another one. It's for when you get bits or the fluff or the cat hair off the carpet. You rub it and it sort of gathers in little strips of muck or fur. Yeah, pence, very good if you've got a cat or a dog. This, I think, might be one of those where I didn't read the size. This is supposed to be a fold-away laundry basket. Ooh. Laundry basket. Ooh. Blimey, look at that beauty. Oh, it is. Oh, that's not too bad. God, I never thought it'd be that size. Oh, that's okay. Actually, I'm going to put all my bits in it. Pretty snazzy just to move your laundry around. And because it folds away, it doesn't take up any space. Next are some laundry items. I'm not going to take those out of the bags. They are colour catchers for your washing machine. You can get those for, you can get them for colours, for blacks, for whites. I think you get about 120 in there. This next one is a radiator brush for getting all those little nooks and crannies when you need to get your dust out. Do you know what? I buy all this stuff. I don't know where I'm going to put it all. Looks like I got another one of those. That is a little bit more of a heavy duty one. That was a little bit of a cheaper version. Got a pack of nail files. These are great. Not only for your nails, but for hard skin. So if you're not sure, some nail files have different types of coarseness each side. So on those, you've got 100 one side, 180 the other side. These are absolutely great. They're getting rid of hard skin on your feet, but also very good for your nails. So that's it. Do hope you've enjoyed that one. Please do give me a big thumbs up if you have. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already. Drop me a comment down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.